Welcome to Truffles. Truffles is your research tool to get and give an overview. It consists of 3 areas: the cockpit, the space, and the universe. Let's dive right in. You will start in the cockpit. After logging in to Truffles, the platform, you will land in your personal dashboard, where you have an overview of everything that is relevant to you and your research. You will be proposed with a short guide when you log in, and then you'll see your own Truffles spaces. You will see the collected Truffles spaces that others have made and you saved to your favorites. You see your profile, you can upgrade there your account, you adjust your account there, and you can see the Truffles community. Let's create your first workspace. Click the plus icon and then enter a name for your workspace. You can enter a manual description, or you just press the AI button on the right side and it will be generated automatically for you. Click create and it will land as the first workspace in your dashboard. Let's do our first research. Just click on the space name that you just created and you will land right in. On the top left corner, you can always navigate back to your cockpit. You have already a welcome truffle in your workspace. There are organization buttons, the Truffles AI button, a mini map, zoom in and out functions. You can use your mouse and your trackpad as well, and center button to center your truffles. Rename the truffles by double clicking on them. Press enter to save. On the right hand side is a detail view. You have a profile for every truffle where you can add information and links, like here in this example. Press enter and add some more details in the detail cards below. Give it a headline, give it a description, and add links, files, and notes as you like. Add as many detail cards as you need to every truffle. Adding more truffles works like this. You can drag out a connection line, rename them, also renaming the connection. You can also add more information behind every connection. You can double click also to add new truffles, rename them, connect them. You can also style the truffles with color and with size, and you delete them by selecting them and pressing the delete button on your keyboard. Let's use the Truffles AI to find some more pictures of Pluto. It might ask you back which truffle you're referring to, and you can answer by simply saying or typing in the truffle's name. It will generate pictures now because we asked for pictures, and you can select just a few or all of them if you press the selection button next to images. Just press add and it will be added to the selected truffle. We selected Pluto, so it adds to Pluto. Now you can ask the Truffles AI, what else it can do, and it's gonna propose a bunch of things and you can try it out and speed up your research a lot. Let's check out the Truffles Universe. Simply go to the top right corner menu button and select Truffles Universe. You will land in the space where all public truffle spaces are published. You can search through them and you can follow other people from the community as well that have set their profile to public. That was our quick overview. If you want to know more, go to our guide on the website, and if you have more questions, write to support@truffles.com. And don't forget, everything connects.